a wife in a same-sex marriage, needing to get out of the red state.
Rachel Smith Taylor is a nurse living in Texas with her wife and 3 children. She and her spouse Lisa have been thinking about leaving the U.S. since President Donald Trump was reelected. The couple visited Nanaimo for the first time last month when marketing guru Todd Maffin created a TikTok video inviting Americans to come visit the Mid-Island town. Now they're thinking of making the city their permanent home. They've already toured Nanaimo Regional General Hospital and learned about the province's efforts to fast-track the process for American nurses and doctors to work here. The nurse of 15 years spoke virtually alongside BC's Premier on Monday as David Eby insisted that the province's call for U.S.-trained nurses and doctors is being heard south of the border.
President Trump's loss is British Columbia's gain.
Eby says recognizing the credentials of American doctors and nurses now takes days instead of months. Since the Fast Track program started in April, 177 U.S.-trained nurses have applied to work here. 113 have had their credentials recognized. But that doesn't mean those healthcare workers are actually here in BC. They still have to get work permits through Canada's immigration system. Smith Taylor has just started the registration process.
I'm on step 4 of like 502.
But she's been encouraged knowing that a team from Health Match BC can help her navigate the immigration and hiring process.
It seems a lot less daunting to know that they're so willing and have the capabilities of helping us, those of us who want to leave and want to get out of this political unrest.
Next month, the province will launch an ad blitz in Washington State, Oregon, and California as it tries to attract more healthcare workers like Smith Taylor. Katie DeRosa, CBC News, Victoria.